This channel has gained 1.1 million subscribers, and if you believe on vidIQ, this channel earns around $2,000 every month. And the most interesting thing is that almost every video on this channel is getting thousands of views. And this is not just one channel. There are many channels creating stickman videos with AI and building an audience from this type of content. So if you have ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, this might be something worth looking at. But if you think creating videos like this is difficult, that's not really the case. Because with a few free AI tools, you can create these videos from scratch. So in today's video, I will show you the complete process step by step. Let's start. First of all, you need to open this custom GPT from the link in the description. After that, simply tell it, give me a video idea for a motivational video. If you want to create videos in another category like documentary, tech, facts, or something else, you can type that instead. As soon as you do that, GPT will generate 10 unique video ideas. And if you don't like any of them, simply type more and it will generate additional ideas for you. Once you have selected your idea, copy it, paste it into the prompt box, add a comma, and write the duration of your video. For example, if I want a 1-minute video, I will simply write 1 minute and send it. As soon as you do that, GPT will generate the video title, image prompts for every scene, motion prompts, and a complete voiceover script. Now comes the time to generate the images. For this, we will use Google Flow because here you can generate unlimited images for free. After opening Flow AI, select the image option from the bottom and set the image size to 16:9. Now go back to GPT, copy the image prompt for the scene 1, come back to Flow AI, paste it and click generate. Within a few seconds, the image for scene 1 will be ready. Now just like this, copy the image prompt for scene 2, paste it into Flow and generate it. Continue following the same process until you have generated images for all the scenes in your video. As you can see, I have already generated all the images for my video. Now it's time to convert these images into videos. For this, drag the images for scene 1 onto the prompt box and switch to the video option. Then go to the models and select VO 3.1. Now come back to GPT, copy the motion prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow and click generate. After a short wait, the video for the scene 1 will be ready. Now repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Once all the videos are generated, download them one by one. Now it's time to generate the voiceover. For the voiceover, we will use Google AI Studio because it's completely free. Although if you want, you can also use 11 Labs. First, go back to GPT and tell it, combine all voiceover lines into one paragraph. GPT will then format the entire voiceover into a single paragraph. Now copy the full voiceover, then search for Google AI Studio and open the website. After that, go to the speech and music section and paste the voiceover here. From the speaker setting, choose any voice you like. Then in the sample context section, type deep, calm and premium and click generate. Once the voiceover is ready, download it as well. After that, open any editing software on your mobile. First, add the voiceover to the timeline, then place all your scene videos in sequence. After that, add transitions between the scenes, and just like that, your final video will be ready.
It feels good here. Safe, comfortable, predictable. But what if comfort is quietly stealing your future? Most people stay where things feel easy. They dream big, but rarely move. Growth always points in one direction, toward the unfamiliar. The hardest step isn't the second or third, it's the first one. The moment you step out, fear shows up, but so does possibility. It isn't easy, but every challenge makes you stronger. Suddenly, what once felt impossible looks smaller than before. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's built through action. Your courage becomes proof for others.
Thanks.
One
I feel
brave
much better
step
now.
inspires another. Everything you want lives beyond comfort. Take the step, your future is waiting.
So let me know in the comments how you liked the final result. And if you learned something new from this video, make sure to leave a like. I will see you in the next video. Bye.